Create timepieces that truly stand out with our Sublimation Blanks Wall Clock MDF Blank, the perfect DIY project for makers and small businesses. Made from high-quality MDF, each clock offers a smooth, white sublimation surface that delivers vibrant, crisp, full-color prints. Whether you're designing modern art, family photos, seasonal themes, or custom business logos, your creativity becomes the centerpiece. Each set includes a durable motor kit, making assembly fast and simple. Just press, attach, and hang. Available in 8-inch and 12-inch sizes, it's perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, offices, classrooms, and gift shops. Turn every moment into a personalized masterpiece. Sublimation Blanks Wall Clock MDF Blank. Time made beautiful, designed by you.